What's up, guys? Welcome to Ammodextrous. We are here at our first group gun range outing. We're actually waiting on Rakeem, who should be the main face of this channel. He's late. He timed this. He said 12:30. It's 1 o'clock.
12:58 to be exact.
Exactly. We about to go in here and not have a booth shooting, but I got my AR-15, first rifle, first gun. He has a pistol, a Taurus, and he has an AR-15. So today's our first range visit together. Goodness gracious. Not even about to have a...
Yeah, nah.
Aaron was right. Look at that.
Nobody listens to the fake guy.
Oh, look, guys, he finally showed up. Oh, yeah.
They're pretty hard about
He finally... Want to tell the people where you was at?
I was getting the bag. Free is better than paid. So I went through high measures to get a free bag. But I got it.
Closest band to the range. Like, yeah, head that way, trying to go the way. We thought he was going to beat us here. Anyway, time to shoot regardless. Sign in, man. Sign in. Time to get it popping. AR boys and the, you know what I'm saying, Ammodextrous.
Welcome to the channel, man. Let that thing sing.
Who came up with that name?
Yeah, I came up with it, man.
Off top of the dome?
Off the head.
There's
Bars.
a lot of head up there, so he had a lot of thinking power.
Hey, I came up with it, man. You know what I'm saying? I used to rap back then.
All right, fellas, it's time.
Let's go.
It's time, let's go. It's time to let that thing sing. Oh, Lord. 2 and 4. Yeah. Starting at 10 and going there. Time to put y'all on my head. All right. I gotta work on my aim. You're ready to go. Shit. That was loud, ain't it?
I don't even want to I ain't want to do it, bro. That mug.
That mud loud, bro.
Oh, you can shoot some more.
Go ahead, load it up.
Most people on YouTube scared to show their targets, but not too shabby. It could take some work, like I said. We're just getting into it. Let's go. My brother up next.
No, sir.
It ain't bad. It's loud in here because of the echo.
No, sir.
What'd you say?
No, sir. Give me 3. I don't need 5.
Come on, I gave you 3. Okay, bro. That boy Aaron say, no, sir. That's so loud.
Got my boy Aaron in here from the Internet Mikey and Internet Aaron channel.
What do you do, y'all?
Got Mikey over there having technical difficulties trying to get his
I'm just
camera
switching my
right.
rigs, bro. You get my boy from the back, I get him from the front.
What? Don't say that no more.
Look, I'm talking about.
Don't say that. He said he gonna get the boy from the back, and I'm gonna get him from the front. What you talking about, fella? Anyways, thank you for joining the channel.
3.
I bit my tongue. I bit my tongue. Look, I bit my tongue. I bit my tongue.
Don't. Try not to bite your tongue, damn it.
Tongue, bro. That is a shock.
I don't really see. That I'm in a high now. Okay, yeah, that was fine. I'm a little high and to the right. I'm all up in here.
Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Ooh, check that boy out. Yeah, boy. If you can hit that buck right there, I give you $20.
That shot is already there. I got 2 shots.
2 shots if you can hit that buck. Huh? Shake on it. See what he talking about. You don't know, he don't look too sure.
I hit that buck.
Nope.
No.
A little too high.
Damn.
Oh, we got them both in the same spot, barely.
Damn.
Maybe next time. I got 3 shots, 10 yards. Let's see if I can hit this deal.
3 shots.
I got 3.
Mike. We got one of them.
Mike.
Lucky bastard.
Mike.
All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for this little gun range vlog we got here.
And remember to always practice good gun safety.
And let that thing sing.